An average day for me would be heading into the shop in the morning to meet with my project manager.
I will head into the office to do paperwork, or sometimes that might look like me heading straight to site depending on what our client's schedule might look like.
I want to get through all of my emails and expenses from the day before, which leads me into my meetings or my Teams meetings that I have.
I meet with the rest of my technicians and our branch manager.
I go on the road to job sites, making sure my jobs are running smoothly, and we're going to initial inspections.
A typical day would consist of some client calls, team calls, client meetings. So it could be meetings at a site, it could be a client lunch or a client event.
We get our lists of duties. We usually go load up the van with supplies, go pick up materials.
Our scope of work can be anything from a small one-story bungalow to a commercial-sized warehouse.
Generally, a property inspection for me would look like me coming in, putting on my PPE, having the client take me to where the source of the loss is.
I try to leave the afternoon for submitting my reports and estimates and just any other paperwork that's required.
I try and set up a lunch and learn at least once a month with our clients, and it is the best way to get in front of them so that they can put that face to name right at the beginning of the relationship.
I take a lot of pride in that at the end of the day, I felt useful getting homes and businesses back to where they were before these situations. Just knowing that each day you made a difference in someone's life is great.
Being able to see a client's face at the end of the job when they see that their job is now at a pre-loss condition is what is really rewarding for me.
The things I love about working here at First Onsite in my particular role are, first of all, just my opportunity to work with people and to help people. Every day I feel good about what I'm selling. I feel there's a lot of support too among the teams. So internally, there's great communication between sales and operations. We all work really well together. I found that I've received a lot of support here from my colleagues to learn and understand what we do and to do it better and to deliver the best service we can.
What I really love about my job is the team collaboration that we have at First Onsite. There's never someone that you can't go to who won't point you in the right direction. Our upper management is so involved in the day-to-day process with our teams.
Camaraderie between all of us, it's second to none. Everyone supports each other, whether you're on the tech side of things, whether you're into management, whether you're on the executive team, everyone really seems to have each other's back.
I think our ability to gather and grow talent here is really something that sets us apart. We have some of the best in the industry, and that's something to be excited about, and that's something that makes me proud to work every day. And it gives me the confidence knowing that we can literally do everything that our clients ask us to do, and we'll do it well.